Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Filmora video editing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking within your footages on Filmora. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Filmora application, and after opening up your project, you can import your media from the media section. After importing it, you may drag and drop the videos onto your timeline. I'm going to use a stock footage as an example. Now, in this case, I'm going to use motion tracking so that my object moves along with this vehicle. Let's use a text for this example. And now, drag your desired text style into the timeline as well. Now, you may position your text element and adjust its size based on your desire. And once you have placed it accordingly, you can edit your text element as well from the titles window. Once you are done editing your text, go ahead and select your video element. And now click on AI Tools from the video section. From here, you can scroll down until you see the motion tracking option. Go ahead and enable this. And now a rectangular box will appear. Make sure to place your object inside this rectangle, which in this case is this vehicle. Then click on this option where it says click to start motion tracking. When you do this, the motion will be analyzed by the application and it will track it through the entire footage. Just wait until this process is done. And now you will see the link element option. Click on this drop-down menu. And now you may select your text element, which will be displayed within here. Now, if you check the preview, the text element will also move along with the object within the footage. You can do this not only with the text elements, but also with stickers and even various other videos. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use motion tracking within your videos on the Filmora application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.